Are you single? Well, then we want to talk to you. I'm Albert Pavon, owner-broker of Pavon Realty Group and team leader of the Pavon team. We're looking to add a few more team members to our team. Now, if you know real estate like I do, I've been doing it now for 18 years, 87% of realtors will quit this industry within the first 5 years, most of them within the first 24 months. The NAR says that there's over 1.5 million licensees and only 600,000 of them sold more than one house last year. So after doing some research, we learned that in Palm Beach County, the average realtor sells anywhere from 4 to 6 properties per year. So that's maybe one property every 2 to 3 months. Now looking at our team for this year, knowing that we have an inventory of less than 2.7 months, we're closing on average anywhere from 12 to 16 deals per month. Now that isn't just to go pat myself on the shoulder. That is just showing that we have systems in place with the right types of leads coming in to help our team grow. We've taken a few team members, for example, that were with a previous brokerage and closed 2 houses their first year having their license to closing 24 transactions in their first year with us. We had another realtor who was already closing 18 deals a year, and they've gone all the way up to 51 transactions. So if you just got your license, or maybe you've had your license for the last 3 or 5 or 10 years, and you're not doing the type of production that you feel that you can do, then we want to talk to you. My contact information is below. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.